In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead assignment rules in Zoho CRM. This process is essential for efficiently managing your leads and ensuring they get to the right team members quickly and accurately. Perfect for businesses looking to streamline their workflow, using assignment rules can make a significant difference in how your team handles new leads. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To get started, open Google Chrome and log into your Zoho CRM account. It's a good practice to make sure you're using an up-to-date browser for optimal performance and security, so keep that in mind before proceeding. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup area, which you can easily find by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This setup section is where you will find all the configurations you need to customize your Zoho CRM experience for your business requirements. Next, within the Setup menu, you'll want to look for the Automation option. Once located, click on it to expand your choices, and from there, select Assignment Rules. This section is precisely where we'll be creating rules that dictate how new leads are automatically assigned to specific users or teams within your organization. These rules can help you ensure that leads are not just left sitting unaddressed and are directed to the appropriate person who can follow up promptly. Once inside the Assignment Rules section, go ahead and click on the Create Rule button. You'll need to provide a name for your rule first. Naming your rule clearly and descriptively is important since it will help you manage and identify different rules over time, especially as you start adding multiple rules to address various scenarios in your business. Now, the core of any assignment rule is its criteria. Here, you'll define the specific conditions under which leads will be assigned. You might decide to use criteria like region or lead source. For instance, if you want leads from a certain geographical area to go to a particular team, or leads from a specific marketing campaign to go to a designated team, now's the time to set that up. Getting this part right ensures the rule functions as you intend and aligns with your business's operational goals. After setting your criteria, you'll choose the users or teams you'd like these leads to be assigned to. Make sure you select users or teams with the necessary capacity and skills to handle the leads effectively. It's all about matching the lead's needs with the right expertise available in your team. Once you've configured everything, it's time to save the rule and activate it. Don't forget this crucial step. Activating the rule means it's live and ready to work its magic in routing the leads as per your setup. Finally, it's always wise to test your newly created rule. You can do this